Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin guys ay si Lulu Home Supplies.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
So bali guys, ito large tissues. So titingnan natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi. Yan, box natin guys. Tandaan lang kasi baka mapunit. So guys, si seller is legit. So ito guys, yung order namin guys is large. So legit si seller guys. Thank you for watching.